Hello everyone, welcome back to another one. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at Great Lakes Central OSTN crew heading northbound through Howell, Michigan. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Today we have Great Lakes Central number 394 within the engine consist, along with Great Lakes Central number 391 leading. And that'll be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.